All right, everybody. This is the calculator challenge from Hack the Web. So in the challenge, the description says, a few weeks ago, someone sent me this mysterious device along with the hint, start code 256. Start code 256. And what else is here? There's a calculator. But what is actually going on? So it's not a regular calculator, and the description here says it looks and works like a calculator, except for the fact that I can't type in multi-digit numbers. So I can enter the start code directly, but there must be another way. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay, so Hack the Web calculator. In this challenge, we're given a message about a code 256, and we're also given a calculator that can only input one-digit numbers. So what we need to do is we need to arrive at the answer 256 by doing some calculations. So we can calculate a few different ways to arrive at 256, but the fastest way is to multiply 8 times 8 times 4. So what we can do is we can just punch those in to the calculator to arrive at the answer 256 and get the answer. So if we go back to the challenge, we'll just punch in 8 times 4, and it gives us this answer over here, parents. So parents is the answer for this particular challenge. Okay, so what we need to do is we just need to take the answer here, parents, and then click on go, and that is the correct answer. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the calculator challenge from Hack the Web. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.